नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। आप सभी को राधा स्वामी सिटी मैम में आप सभी का स्वागत है। सद्गुरु एक ऐसी नदी के समान जिसका जल हमेशा निर्मल साफ रहता है। उससे मिलने पर आपके मन का मैल धुल जाता है। ऐसे ही है हमारे राधा स्वामी सत्संग ब्यास के पूज्य गुरु बाबा गुरिंदर सिंह ढिल्लों जी, जो महामारी के दौरान दुनिया की सेवा में लगे सेवादारों का लगातार हौसला बढ़ाते हुए उनके सवालों का जवाब भी देते रहे हैं। उनके मन की भ्रांतियों को दूर करके मालिक और मानवता की राह पर चलने के लिए प्रेरित करते आ रहे हैं। ऐसे ही सवाल जवाब सत्र में संगत यानी श्रद्धालुओं के अनेक सवालों का जवाब कैसे देते, जिसका कुछ भाग हम आपको यहाँ दिखा रहे हैं। अच्छा लगे पूरा देखना चाहे तो राधा स्वामी सत्संग व्यास के ऑफिशियली चैनल RSSB का लिंक भी हमने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया।
Raswami Babaji, my question is about being a good human being. I find that it's really challenging to be a good human being constantly because you easily forget about it for a while and you only remember it after something bad happens to you.
But it is as easy to be good as it is to be bad. Now, I think most of us, we sort of look at what the world is doing and it's very easy to be one of the sheep and just follow the herd. But isn't that a contradiction in life? On one side, you want to create your own identity, and on the other side, you just want to follow the herd. Do you want to be part of the herd tendency in life?
No, Babaji.
So then, beta, shouldn't we think for ourselves? Shouldn't we think what is right and wrong and follow that? Beta, we have to go through the consequences of our action. Nobody else is going to bear the burden for us, beta. So if at the ending of the day, I sort of seek pleasure, I have pleasure for 10, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day, 10 days, and then I have a lifetime of guilt. Is it worth it? I mean, the human being is very calculative. If nothing else, at least calculate what is to your benefit. What is going to be beneficial for us and what is going to sort of put us down.
Yes, Babaji. I hope to be a person that can make you and my parents proud of. And also, last night while I was brainstorming for questions to ask you, I asked my little brother, and he said to me to ask Babaji, does Sach Khankar mean a really sweet house?
Beta, these are concepts explained to us. When we want to convey a certain sentiment, the intensity, we say it's raining. For example, it's raining a lot. We say it's raining cats and dogs. So don't take it literally and think, oh, that time it was really raining cats and dogs. It is just to convey something, beta. Sachkhand means where truth prevails.
Radha Swami Babaji, thank you for this opportunity you have given us today to have your darshan. I'm extremely fortunate to be here today. Babaji, I'm a constant worrier. I'm always worrying about the children. And I cannot finish my meditation. Many times I sit in the morning, I have time during the day also. But I don't know why I am not able to finish. I need your help, Babaji.
I can understand. We are all concerned about our children. But by worrying, will we get a solution? Will it help us? Worry puts more pressure on us. And when there's pressure, we tend to compromise. So definitely you should think about your children. Definitely you should be there to guide them and look after them, but in a positive manner, beta. So to a certain extent, yes, we need to think, but beyond that, what is needed is action. Now, if I just sit and keep on thinking, is anything going to happen?
Do I lack faith, Babaji?
Beta, all of us, I don't think so. Anyone in this creation can say he's got faith, beta. All of us, we are in a very conceptual state. when our wishes are answered, we say we love the Lord. When our wishes are not answered, even a small little thing, our faith gets shaken. So we are in the process of trying to build up that faith, Vita. So it's not that you are any less than the person next to you, no matter what they say. But faith is not going to come just, Vita, from satsangs or somebody talking or reading scriptures. It is going to come from experience. And that is why the entire focus is on your meditation. If you do your meditation, you will get that inner experience. That will give you faith. We say seeing is believing, na? So until we don't see for ourselves, until we don't experience for ourselves, it's only a concept.
I try, Babaji, I try a lot, but I just keep failing every time, and I feel miserable, and I feel I can never please you.
No. There are no failures in Santmat. It's a question of just doing it. Don't analyze, just keep on doing it.
Babaji, just keep me close to you. I only want to be with you. And please take care of the children, Babaji.
आज का सवाल जवाब आपको कैसा लगा? आपने विचार हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर दीजिएगा। अभी के लिए धन्यवाद। एक बार फिर हाजिर होंगे कल नई वीडियो के साथ।